Hello guys, welcome to my channel Coding Demystified. Today we are going to look how you can deploy your portfolio to GitHub Pages. So when you deploy a normal website to GitHub Pages, you get a URL of something like username.github.io/use repo name, and then https:/. When you deploy a normal website to GitHub Pages, you get a URL of something like this. But if you have to get a URL of something like this for your portfolio, which we normally do, we normally deploy our portfolio to GitHub Pages with something like this kind of URL. Then the process is most of the same like this, but with some changes. So let's get started. So first of all, I will create a normal website. So this is the website. Now I will push this to GitHub Pages. Push this to GitHub. Now I will add the remote to the repo I have already created. So I have already created a repository in GitHub whose name is this abhiarathore.github.io. So because my username is abhiarathore, that's why I have created a repo abhiarathore.github.io. If your username is something else, then replace this part, then you have to have a user. Then replace abhiarathore with your username, whatever username your is. So if you have some username, then replace it here and then make a repo of this name. So because my username is abhiarathore, that's why I have created a repo as abhiarathore.github.io. So now let's add this remote. Git remote add origin, and now let's push this to master branch. So this is the text. Now you must be seeing something here. Yes, so we have got our content, this index.html file here. Now what we have to do is go to settings and pages, and then we have to enable this. So this is by default enabled, and our site will be at this. So go to here and it says page not found. You have to add this index.html. Now it's loaded. So as you can see that your site is running here, and your URL is this abhiarathore.github.io, something like this. You don't have this /repo type thing. So this is your app, which is web app that is hosted on GitHub Pages, and this is a URL which is very good. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this video. Thank you.